Welcome back to the channel. Let's create a vibrant poster for your school cultural event that captures the energy and excitement of the occasion. Start with a new document and fill the background with a dynamic gradient of your school colors. Now place a central, compelling photo of the student participating in cultural activities. Add bold, artistic font for the main event title at the top. Include the tagline or theme of the event directly beneath in the title smaller font. List the key event details like date, time, venue in clear premium text box. Add icons like calendar, clock, and map in next to the respective details. Incorporate decorative cultural patterns or along the borders. Create a section highlight special performance or guests. Place the